I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Linking your bank account on Telcel can seem tricky, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Here's how to do it in just a few steps. Step 1. Open the Telcel app. Launch the Telcel app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Options. Once you're in the app, look for the Payment Options section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your billing and payment methods. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. In the Payment Options menu, select the option to Add Bank Account. This will allow you to enter your banking details. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Fill in your bank account information, including your account number and bank name. Double check for typos, as a small mistake can lead to errors. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your details, review everything and hit the confirm button to save your bank account. You should receive a confirmation message once it is linked successfully. If you encounter any issues, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as older versions may not support new features. Linking your bank account can streamline your payments, making it easier to manage your Telcel services. Happy connecting!